Hey Gua, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool image right here, and basically what this is a jade roller, and this is from the brand called BAIMEI. I actually used jade rollers in the past before that is very similar to this one right here, but the one that I use is like a two-way design, so that way it actually rolls like this. This one right here is just like one roller where it just goes up and down. So first thing I'm actually open up to show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is what actually looks like inside. When you guys take off this part right here, this is what the inside looks like. So they basically probably got the jade roller and they probably got a Gua Sha option. If you guys never heard of Gua Sha before, you should definitely check it out. It's actually really good to help you guys relax and also help you guys calm like your muscle tension and everything. So when you guys take this part out, that is what the product looks like inside. And also, you can see the one that we got right here is like a green color. They do have this available in different colors as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. Let's take out both of them to show you guys what the product looks like before you test it out. Alright, so right here we have the Gua Sha. If you're curious what each different part is for, this part right here you can definitely use it on your cheek and forehead. This part right here you can definitely use it on your jawline. And then this part right here you can definitely use it on your neck or any other part that you can use on here, even for your jawline if you guys want to. So let's say for example, if I want to use it right here, I just want to glide right here through my jawline right here. Or another way for you guys to use it is put it on your eyebrow right here and push up towards your forehead. But if you guys want to use this side right here, you can definitely do that as well. So just like this. Just slowly guide it through your jawline right here. And then same thing for other side as well. If you guys do this daily, it should be really beneficial. And the one thing that you guys probably will notice once you guys take it out, when you guys feel the part right here, it definitely feels pretty cool. But if you guys want to be even more cooler, you can definitely leave it in the fridge for like 15 minutes before you guys use it. So if you guys have like one of those mini fridge, you can definitely put it inside right there. There's actually a lot of benefits of using these powder right here, whether you guys use the Gua Sha option or the jade roller, such as like tightening up your pores, reducing appearance of your fine lines or wrinkles, and also help you guys lift up your skin, and also can help you guys shape your face line as well. And when you guys use the roller option, it can help you guys absorb like the serum, moisturizer, oil, or whatever when you guys apply it on. So that is how you guys use this option right here. Whereas for the roller option, they provide guys two of them. One of them you guys can use for your face area, and the other one you can use it around your eyes because it's much smaller. So let's say if you guys want to go like this, use it around your chin area, or even for like your forehead area, you can definitely do that as well. But what they recommend is for you guys to start in the middle area here, and then work your way on the side if you guys want to. And then for this part right here, when you guys feel it, it definitely feels pretty cool as well. But like I mentioned earlier, if you guys want to put it into the fridge to keep it even more cool, you can definitely do that on here. And like I mentioned for a small one right here, you can definitely use it around your eyes or your nose, so just like this. Because when you guys use the bigger one, it might be too big and you guys can't reach it. This one right here definitely works a lot better when you guys use a smaller one. And it actually feels really nice when you guys use it because it has that like cooling effect on here. So once you guys start using one of these powder right here, you can definitely see how it's beneficial if you guys use it daily. If you guys notice when we actually use the product, it's actually very quiet. You don't hear anything on here, which is definitely pretty awesome. Even for the small one as well. And when you guys look at the material on here, it definitely looks like a high quality material that they use on here. This part right here is like the jade material, and this part right here is a high quality metal. So that is everything that's included in this set right here. Now to go unboxing and testing product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for both of these products here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially like I mentioned earlier, if you guys do care about your skin. And if you guys use a lot of the other stuff that I mentioned earlier, in terms of like facial oil, serum, cream, moisturizer, and the list goes on, then definitely getting one of these is actually really worth it to help you guys absorb it even more. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you really do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.